Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Key contest here tonight with just 4 games left in the Jefferson County League. None is more important than tonight's matchup against 2 of the state's top 10 teams, the Lakewood Tigers, on the road against the Ralston Valley Mustangs. Lakewood comes in with a sparkling 10-0 record in league. For Ralston Valley at 9-1, tall order tonight. The Mustangs lost last night at Broomfield against the defending state champions and must win tonight in order to keep its league's title hopes alive. For Lakewood, the Tigers are led by its senior point guard, Mackenzie Forrest. Forrest, an all-around player, smart, quick, can score inside and out. For Ralston Valley, junior point guard Ashley Van Sickle, she leads the team in scoring and averages 6 assists a game. She is the engine that makes this Mustang team go. It's Lakewood, Ralston Valley next, right here on the Xfinity Sports Report Game of the Week.
Miller here. Big man. Okay.
And don't get caught on inbounds play. Start going to the basket. Make sure we're protecting, right?
Halftime, we had a talk. Our shots weren't really falling, but we just came back out. We got some momentum going. We started dribble attacking, just attacking, putting a lot of pressure on, rebounding, and we just picked it up on the defensive end because with defense comes offense, and we just started working as hard as we possibly could because we wanted this game.
What did you tell your team to get them turned around in that second half?
Well, we had talked. We were 3 for 27, and we were kind of settling on the perimeter. And we knew we were a little tired from last night. We said, well, we got to get the basketball to the hole. We got to start attacking the basket and dribble penetration and get our kickouts off of the dribble penetration instead of settling for threes. And they did a nice job of attacking the basket. And then we also talked about, if you defended the way you did in the first half, we're going to be fine if the ball starts going down, and kind of what happened a little bit.
Well, Ralston Valley knew coming in tonight it was a must-win situation. Battling fatigue after a loss at Broomfield last night, came across its league rival, Lakewood, needed to beat them, and they did. 43-41 on its home floor, now tied for the league lead at 10-1 with 3 games to go. Both teams will face Dakota Ridge. We'll see how it turns out. Terrific defense for Ralston Valley and tremendous heart for the victory. That'll do it for the Xfinity Sports Report. I'm Mary Kay Morrow.